Hi guys, do you have 3 candles at home? If yes, then sit back and relax. Let me show you how to make your own scented Christmas candles. So, if you don't have candles at home, you can easily just get candles. After that, you put your candle on fire. So you put pan, don't put anything inside the pan. Just put your candle inside your pan or your pot on fire and allow it sit for like 3 minutes or sit till everything melts. So I'm doing this on medium heat, so make sure your fire is not too high. It's either on low heat or on medium heat. So you just leave it there till everything melts. Now when the candle is done melting, you just remove the rope from there because you'll be needing just the candle wax. Yeah, I won't call it water. It's looking like water, but it's actually candle wax. So that's what you will be needing. You'll be needing the rope too, but you don't want the rope inside the wax yet. So I would show you how to do it. So you just leave it on fire for 3 minutes or till everything melts off. So yeah, before I forget, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. We post videos every day actually, and we have so many contents on our channel, so many things you can learn from, so many things you can enjoy, so many things you can feed your eyes with. So please feel free to check out our channel for interesting content, and let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from so that we can actually make a shout out to you on our next video. So yeah, that's the rope. When the rope is separated from the candle, you can just easily remove the rope. If everything melts at once and you can remove the rope together at once, fine. If not, then you can just remove it one by one, but make sure to put everything together. So while this is melting, you can easily prep for your other ingredients. So for your other ingredients, all you need is lemon and tangerine. So I couldn't get the yellow lemon, so I had to go with this one. And then I needed tangerine, but I couldn't get tangerine, so I had to go with orange. So if you can get the yellow lemon and you can get tangerine, fine. So all you need to do is you're going to slice 2 parts or more from your lemon, and then you're going to slice 3 parts or more from your tangerine. It depends on how big your cup is. Yeah, it depends on how big your cup is. That's where we're going to be pouring the wax. It depends on how big it is. Mine is actually small, that's why I'm going with 2 lime and 3 slices of orange. So now you're going to get your cup. As you can see, I'm using this transparent glass cup. So you get your cup, and then you're going to arrange your lime and tangerine inside the cup. Make sure to arrange it and arrange it and make sure it's looking beautiful inside the cup. So now the next ingredients we'll be needing is cloves. So you're going to add cloves to it. So you're adding cloves and you're adding what's it called, lime, in case of mosquitoes and flies. Yeah, it will help you scare away mosquitoes and flies. So this candles will not just be scenting nice, it will also scare away mosquitoes and flies from your home. So after adding all your ingredients, if you have cinnamon stick also, you can add to it. After adding all your ingredients, you're going to insert your rope inside the cup. Now you're going to go in with your candle wax. So just carefully and gently pour this inside the cup. After pouring it inside the cup, you're now going to allow it sit till it cools down. So you just leave it there. After pouring everything, just leave it there and allow it sit till it cools down. When it cools down, you would know, because everything will be thick and it will be looking like candle, because it is candle actually. So you're going to see that at the end of the video. So this is me turning the candle wax, the melted candle wax inside the cup. As you can see, it's already looking fine. So as you can see, the down is already getting thick, like it's already cool. So because of that, it's already turning into candle. So you just have to wait till everything is cool and everything turns to candle before you can now start using your candle, before you can on it and all of that. So you can see how fine it is. The inside was actually looking purple. I don't know why it's not showing, but it was actually looking purple, like very purplish. So you will just wait for it to cool down, and once it cools down, it will be like this. So it has to be super cool. It has to be cool, like everything has to go cold so that it can be this thick. Now once it cools down, you can now remove whatever you used in holding your rope. As you can see, I turned it upside down, but it didn't come out. Nothing came out because it's already cool. So you can remove whatever you used in holding your rope so that you'll be able to on your candle and use your scented candle. So this is actually beautiful, and it smells nice, and also it scares away mosquitoes and flies. So this is our DIY scented Christmas candle. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section, and feel free to follow these methods to get your own scented candles. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.